Blank paper is just a blank paper, unless you mold it, fold it, and have the passion to create. But for that, you need a platform that will help you bring out the ad maker inside of you. The biggest creative site of the nation, Ad Maker Bangladesh, a TVC making competition, which started back in 2010, where students from different universities all over Bangladesh participate in the ad making contest. So, what would you rather do with your blank paper?